Hey, so what you got, man? What you mean? I told you I got that same shit, nigga. Come around here, I fuck that shit, man.
Like that, that's that fire. Like that, that's that fire.
Talk with your boy, walk with your boy. Little E got rocks, set a boy, I'm the dope man. Wide open, streets all mine. Had money before E got signed. Cut the check, nigga. 6-figure hit a home base picture. Look, it's obvious that E's on a mission. Kitchen getting hot. Comptown block, mirror your rap. Man, these busters really don't know the half. Lay it down, nigga. Get stepped on, quiet, can't be kept on. Little E ride with the Teflon, hit 'em up. We could get 'em up, streets of the booth, Drake. Let 'em know E was the true certified winner. If you want it, then I got it. Hustle hard, so the money's in my pocket. What you need? Got heat, so the E ain't slipping. Got a deal, now the E's on a mission. We can ride, nigga.
Like that, that's that fire.
How many you need, man? Yeah.
Like that,
I got about 5
that's
right
that
now.
fire.
Send it to me later on once you rest that.
Like that,
Yeah.
that's that fire.
Alright, just hit me on my shit, man.
Like that, that's that
I
fire.
got you, my nigga. It's nothing.
Hotter than a stove, heated up, I'm about to explode. Who need a hit? TG legit, knock 'em out the box. Bang hard enough to knock 'em out their socks. Who could fuck with 'em? Drama, come get 'em, we can solve it real quick. Gang banging never die, take 'em back to 86. Still the same shit, just another night. Burned out, homie need another light. Time to get high. I supply the whole city in demand. Look, little E really is the man. What you thought though? Before Crossroads, Q, Dre, and Ren came back home on the block, dude should've been came. I'm a hustler to the heart, game shady, so I gotta play a smart. Time to cash in, still mashing the same OG. Daddy looks to the same old E, and I'm faded.
Like that, that's that fire.
How many you need, man? Yeah.
Like that,
I got about 5
that's
right
that
now.
fire.
Send it to me later on once you rest that.
Like that,
Yeah.
that's that fire.
Alright, just hit me on my shit, man.
Like that, that's that fire.
I got you, my nigga. It's nothing.
Can never be duplicated. Fresh off the stoop, catch E super faded. Blaze it, put it in the street. Started all small, moving it for cheap. Now I'm rich, nigga. Gotta get it while it's getting good. 6'4", 5th, got the leather with the suede hood. In hood, bang it till I die. We can make a deal, tell me what you like. Here's the prize. Grams by the pound through the town. Hit me up, homie, it could go down. What you need? So OG with the hustle, step my game up. Now I got muscle, I'm rich, bitch. 06 Prince of the block, hit a bass beat coming when I knock. Little E's here. The year of the millennium, G image changed since Pops left the streets, and that's real.
Like that, that's that fire.
How many you need, man? Yeah.
Like that,
I got about 5
that's
right
that
now.
fire.
Send it to me later on once you rest that.
Like that,
Yeah.
that's that fire.
Alright, just hit me on my shit, man.
Like that, that's that fire.
I got you, my nigga. It's nothing.
Eu mă numesc Eugen. Gen eu, știi? Da, și...
El pierde timpul gen, freacă pula gen, pierde vară. Gen, nu prea a plăcut la școală. Trage la sală gen, se umflă cu oxigen. Nu salută din sprânceană, doar din abdomen. Gen, cercetează orice teren. Gen, e mereu pe față, așteaptă doar un semn. Gen, toată lumea e pe jos lacrimogen. Gen, că e brav și la oasca pe polen. Gen, e fenomen. Imaginează-ți-l cum vine mersul lui de Johnny Bravo. Se remarcă în mulțime specimen. Ca el există doar în filme de categoria 3, dar în fine. Și că zice că are o fată pe genul lui gen Trejolica Angelina Jolie fără sutien. Gen, pe lângă silicon și colagen. Gen, varsă milioane întregi în club pe colagen. Mai mult decât Monden, se potrivesc perfect în Porsche Cayenne. Gen, și că scoate la vânzare un teren. Gen, ca să-l mute din Băceni în Cotroceni. Gen, pe Eugen.
M-am angajat, sunt tehnician de salubritate publică. Bine, se spune și gunoier, dar prefer tehnician de salubritate publică.
Și gen, s-a trezit la realitate. A zis că vrea să se pună pe fapt. S-a angajat în schimbul 3 de noapte, că ziua se deșteaptă în facultate. Gen, pierde timp, freacă pula, gen, pierde vară. Gen, mult mai rău ca prima oară.
Și în principiu pot să-mi fac rate, știi? Este foarte bine, îți faci un leasing, ai o mașină mult mai mișto decât vecinul tău și lumea te bagă în seama, adică și sunt eu gen, știi? E genul meu, eu gen. Adică așa mi-am făcut și, dacă vreți să mă căutați pe mes, am gen eu @yahoo.com, știi? Gen.